good news about this thing, I'm almost done washing these, but 2/3 of these bits, I think I dropped one, no, apparently not. 2/3 of these bits are done in a glaze, we call it foggy dew, and foggy dew does not have to be scrubbed. So 2/3 of these have already been rinsed, washed really aggressively, but they don't need to be cleaned this way. And I'm cleaning these with my thumbs and this stuff. And it's painful at the end of the day. Like if I wasn't almost done with these, I am almost done with these. One way or another, Jim's almost done with these. Or they're done with him. Oh, you can look at it both ways, right? Well, that's a nice little piece there. And I'm picking out the colored ones that need to be scrubbed as I go. Then I do some of these, and then I do some of that, and then I try not to be too bored, and So I've been a good boy today. I haven't snored on camera, so that's good. That's me pounding out some of the barkeeper stuff. I go through about a dozen cans a year. It's the best product I've found for this cleaning process. And believe you me, I have tried a bunch of things. This is a time when I actually get to see the product as it's going to present itself, you know, on the work. So it's a good time to be seeing this stuff, because a lot of times, you know, when I cover the stuff with glazes, I don't really get to see it because it's covered with chemicals. Dry powder, you know, that kind of thing, and you don't really know what you're doing, and they don't look anything like this. So this is a good time for me, because then I'm critiquing my own work. There's more barkeeper's friend going down on the sink top here. But the good parts are getting to see these pieces and critiquing it as I go, because I really am looking at each piece kind of, you know, that kind of thing. Sometimes it's, but a lot of times it's just, This is a nice piece here. It's that kind of reaction I really like to. When it gets totally rinsed off, that's going to be just lovely colors. So, get pretty excited about having a good firing. This was a pretty good firing, actually. So before, you know, I almost snored just then. I'm falling asleep. If you see my little head bob in front of the camera, would you call me? Text me and it'll buzz in my phone. My phone's sitting right over there, and then it'll wake me up. So if you see my head fall down, would you do me a favor and do that? Just text me. Talk to you later. Where did I come up with this stuff?